Hang ni PE salang isa mau MPU chung yu ongi khna samlak bala nang bala start begin join politics begin mara ita system change. It's very important begin your system change as of right now tangba only education it's not enough. Tanga to ka certificate of degree it's not enough. Beli bang ongi kata naman makibru ki banang mostare mostly ki perkhat il de shimet. Berkaje perkhat shimet nem. Kawan ra ya kata ka materialistic wall. Kawan ra ya kata ka corruption, kawan ra ya kata ka sneer pokash nang katao. No ani nga padon le ketika ceka kile kuno ki corruption ki thit ketika ceka ani nga padon le ketika kali kile kuno ki corrupt ki thit ketika kali. So it's like that. That's why it's very important mapindon ya kata integrity ka jong phi pindon ya kata honesty ya kata accountability makini ki minister pa cabinet ki jong itikim dan re. That's what. And kan moral value ka jong phi ka diban align ba ka moral laws. Very important. And the last thing, if you don't ya kata mindset, pinong ng train nam takipay ba? Pili man brio, pili man to brio, bati brio to brio, ubas ngolam nam takipay ba? Uba perkhat shwa yakipay ba? Until unless you don't have that, you are not fit to be a politician, to be a part of a government. Even man try government service where you need to have certain those stuff. Until unless you don't have that, you are not fit to be a government service role. So that's why I'm saying by education it's not enough. I don't know what you guys think. Let me know in the comment section.